Is that my brother? Still praying to Father.
Is this real?
How is this even possible? I saw you 3 times die.
Did you really think Doom would let gods die in peace?
Then the war has already begun.
It never ended.